Hello. How's happening? I'm good. How are you?
How are you?
Okay.
You okay? How are you doing?
You good? Here's your room key. Have you got your passport?
I've got it.
Cool.
You're stressing.
You're one of the ones that's well, I just know people
three
will,
messages.
I know people will bring it because we're obviously
Because we're not going anywhere.
we're not going on a plane.
Hi guys.
Hi mate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, mate.
Alright, Ted.
How are you, mate?
Scoring well, boy.
Scoring goals,
Look
right?
at him, just rolling in.
You know what I mean? It's normal. Yeah. Good to see you, man. You okay? Yeah.
Posing up you, Swansea fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, good man.
How's the boys, Ben? Alright, Ted.
All good, mate.
He scored as well the other day. The goal scorer.
Okay. That's really good.
Your room key there. Okay.
I'm guessing you can trust.
Thank you, mate. Appreciate that. Oh, you okay? Thanks,
How's it going? You okay?
Hi, chaps. How are you?
Alright.
You okay?
How's it?
Good, man.
You good?
You alright?
We're downstairs as normal. Hello.
You alright?
You good? Yeah.
Do you have to go downstairs first?
Thank you. No, go to your rooms first and then medical checks whenever. Dinner at 7. Okay. That's yours. That's yours. Okay.
Leave my bag there, please.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Alright, Ted.
How are we? How are you, mate? Okay? All good. Yeah. Ah, afternoon, evening, whatever it is.
Hey, mate.
How are you, lads? How are you? Okay? Oh, thank you.
Hello.
George.
Okay.
Oh, are you good? All good.
Journey okay? Tired?
Oh,
Okay. Have you got your pack?
hey, why didn't you grab me on side, mate? You missed me on side, mate.
That's not great, mate.
Huh?
It's cool, yeah.
Bad boy.
Yeah, that's okay.
You good?
Not bad, you?
Yeah. Thank you. So we're downstairs again.
Yeah.
Food at 7. If you want to go to your room and then medical check downstairs whenever.
Okay,
Alright?
thank you very much.
No problem.
Hi. How are you doing?
Hello.
Sorry, man.
I do, yeah.
Amazing.
Chester, yeah? You reckon mix it with the rest of the mats? Or like, do you eat it?
Yay!
Hi,
Oh,
fellas.
it's that move.
Good, mate. That's what you need for doing here.
Okay, first good to see you.
Hello, you okay? Hello, you okay? You got your passport?
Have a look in the back. Match.
What's that?
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Hi guys.
Right.
That's a bit first.
Hello, bud.
That's a bit first.
What's happening? What's happening? You good? You good?
Hello, you okay? You good? Thank you. That's yours.
Hi Ben.
I'm all the way, boy.
Hi mate. How are you? Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Right.
Thank you. How are you? Alex, nice to meet you.
Good afternoon. Hey, looking well.
Ah, you know.
Looking well.
That's ready.
Huh?
How's the gym, IG? Right? Yeah, mate, we got work to do, mate. Hello.
Hello, you okay? You good? Hello, you okay? Have you got your passport? Perfect. You trained okay? Busy? Or is it alright? So the Cardiff half marathon, I was like, oh, is it going to be at the stage where it was all done by then, probably?
Yeah, nothing there.
Cool.
Yeah, it's all good.
Dinner is at 7 and we're downstairs.
Perfect.
Alright?
Alright, thank you.
In a bit.
Thank you.
Hi mate.
Right, Nick.
Yes, good me up.
Yes, Nick, you okay?
Yeah, good mate.
Yes, should be okay.
Room key, you got dinner at 7.
Yeah.
But if you want to go to your room and then medical check.
Okay, so I'll go and flip on.
Alright?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
Hi, Chuck. What's happening? You good?
Good?
Yeah, you good.
Oh, I'm scoring against you. Have you got your passport?
You good? Yeah.
Perfect.
We're not taking that from you. You good?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Yes, Keith.
Hello? Hello? How are you?
I'm good. You?
Good, thank you.
How are you? Good, thank you.
Yeah, better, thanks.
I do, I've got it right. Yeah, I'm prepared. See that?
There's your room key.
What's that, right? Oh, thank you.
Dinner at 7.
Dinner at 7, yeah?
Okay.
Got time.